Hurricane Express has been wrecked by agents of a mysterious criminal who calls himself the Wrecker, and a valuable gold shipment has disappeared. At the railroad offices, detectives have installed a dictograph system in order to trap Gloria Martin, the general manager's secretary, whom they suspect of being an agent of the Wrecker.
The Wrecker sure knows his stuff. Here's our chance.
We have a message for you from your father.
We'll take her to her father. All the batteries on. We'll have to crank it by hand.
Don't thank me for bailing you out. Mr. Edwards arranged that.
Well, it was sure swell of him.
The least the railroad could do for you after having twice saved the Hurricane Express.
Well, if you're going back to the office, I'd like to trail along. I have a lot of things I'd like to talk over with Mr. Edwards.
You've got your nerve coming in here, Jordan. You were fired and told to stay away. Now, get out.
I was hoping that you'd reconsider my case, Mr. Edwards, on account of things that have happened since I was discharged.
Why, you yourself just had an experience with a record that nearly cost you your life. I guess you know now what it means to be knocked on the head and tied up in a runaway boxcar. Well, you're
clock must be slow, Carlson. I hear that train coming now.
Why, that isn't the express. She didn't signal. Runaway boxcar. She'll crash the express if we don't stop her.
Can you warn the express? There's no chance now.
It was the wrecker that tied you up in that boxcar. The same man that struck me down on my engine cab. He, not I, caused the wreck of the Hurricane Express and killed Larry Baker's father.
May all be true, Jordan, but there's too much evidence against you. You're wasting your time.
Good day. You've made me the goat long enough, Edwards. And there's going to be a showdown. You know who the wrecker is. And I believe you're shielding him.
I've had enough of this. Now get out!
All right, Edwards. But from now on, I'm playing the game your way.
Larry, we need your help. These mysterious attacks are not only ruining the railroad, they're a public menace. And I believe that Walter Gray is responsible for it all.
You're right, Edward. Our loss is his gain. His air transport line could only survive by getting business away from the railroad.
And I further believe that Stratton is mixed up with him, too. If he hadn't shot Carlson, we would have learned who the wrecker is.
It wasn't Stratton, Mr. Edwards.
Then who was it?
The man who did the killing wore a mask of Stratton in order to put the blame on him.
Yes? Gloria Martin? Yes. Where?
Kidnapped by wreckers gang. Phone Edwards. L&R Railroad. Signed, Gloria Martin. Yes, we're trying to trace them now.
Something's happened to Gloria. Her car went over the embankment at Death Curve, but she left a message saying that she's been kidnapped by the Wreckers gang.
The Wreckers gang? I've got to get out there and try and pick up her trail.
Use my car, Baker.
Thank you.
Thanks, officer.
All right. Bring him in.
Dad!
Gloria.
What does this mean?
It means that your father is going to tell where he hid the gold that he stole from the Hurricane Express.
You'll never get that gold.
No. You know what to do. Maybe that'll open your mouth. All right, Sandy. Now will you tell?
I don't remember.
I'll help your memory. Again, Sandy.
Oh, stop it, I'll tell. It's hidden away in the shaft of the old Forsyth barn.
We'll keep your daughter here to make sure you're telling the truth. Keep a watch on her. Don't let her get away.
What are you doing here?
Now, be a nice girl and tell me where you've got Gloria Martin.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You wouldn't want me to call the police, would you?
Larry! Record gang have taken Dad to the mine. They're after the gold.
We might stop them if we hurry.
We've got to get there quickly. The railroad detectives are at the mine to arrest my father. I was on my way to the mine to warn him when I was kidnapped.
Stratton brought his gang along.
We better lay low and see what happens.
It's buried under there.
Let's go, men.
That's the wreckers' gang, all right. Just as I thought. Stratton's in with them. Hands up. Don't move. You're covered. Undercover, man.
Matthews and Hemingway must have surprised the wreckers gang. Get under cover and wait for me. Gloria's outside. Watch your chance and slip out to him.
I've got Stratton.